What's going on YouTube? Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'm going to be doing a review of the Hip City Marvel Character AirPod case. Now you can get this on hipcitycases.com, and it's going to run you the low of $13.99. Word. Now you can get this in a couple different Marvel characters. You can get Iron Man, Spider-Man, Batman, Venom, Hulk, Superman, Captain America, and Thor. Word. Now, they have a whole ton of different cases for the AirPods. If you do not like the Marvel character cases, they have a whole bunch. So definitely check out the website, and you probably, most likely, in my opinion, would find something that you do like. Alright, if you into, dressing up your AirPods and stuff like that. So this case is made from silicone or hard rubber, something like that. And it's real sturdy, real nice. And it comes with this finger strap. Now, I got sausage fingers, so it fits on there for the most part, and you ain't gonna lose it and stuff like that. And I think it came with like a little keychain too. I can't remember, but maybe it did. I don't use the keychain if it did come with one. But this is real cool. Now, all you simply do is take your AirPods case and insert it like that, and the lid, top part of your case, it goes on like that. You open it up, and voila, that's what you get. All right. So this right here is just, I'm into Marvel. I like, Venom is one of my favorite characters. So I got that. If they'd have had Black Panther, I would have got Black Panther too. But this is the one that I wanted out of this, the few that they had. The ones that they had, this is the one that I wanted. Venom is just that dude. And, it got the little finger joint right there, so you can walk around with it, hold it. You can connect it to a bag. This doesn't have a break in it or anything, but like I said, if you have a key loop or something like that, key chain holder, you just connect it to that and hold it on to that. It's pretty sturdy. I haven't had no issues with it. Opens up, keeps it protected, so you ain't got to worry about your stuff getting beat up or scarred up or anything like that. You notice that the top of it does not connect to the actual other side of the case, so it just slides on. I had no problems with it coming off or popping off or losing it or anything like that. It covers up most of the hinges on the back of your AirPods case. Now you see you still have the slot for the lightning charger, so you ain't got no problem connecting your charger. Easy to connect it. The one thing that I wish it would have had was like a charger port cover, so you ain't got to worry about dust or nothing getting in there. So if the port was covered, that would be better to me. The hinge thing really doesn't bother me. I think it's cool, no problems with that. The one thing that it does cover is, well, two things actually. It covers your LED on the front, that little light that you get if you got the Gen 2s. It covers up that light, and it covers up the button on the back if you want to sync it to a device. If you want to pair this to a device, then it covers those two things on your AirPods case. But I mean, it's not that big a deal. It's easy to remove, easy to put on. It's not really a hassle or anything like that. So, all in all, this is a dope product. And this is not for everyone, This is the type of a product, type of item that, you just got to have a love for, a passion for, just want this particular thing, You just got to want this. And this is something that from the first time I seen it, I was like, I'm getting this. So, definitely a hot product. If you want one of these, the link will be in the description to get to the website. Like I said, tons and tons of products for your AirPods and cases to choose from. Even if you don't like Marvel, definitely you can check them out. One thing that I would suggest, y'all got to get the Black Panther. Y'all can't leave the Black Panther route, But it's Urban Tech Reviews. If this video helps you in any way, let me know by clicking the thumbs up button. If you want to see more of my content, then all you got to do is click the little Android guy at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to subscribe to my channel. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, make sure to click those bell notifications. To follow me on all my social media sites, just click those links links in the description. But we out to the next one.